Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone? What's up? Welcome in.
See a nice lower high in this previous daily candle, and then a flush below 24,800. That's what I would ideally like to see.
What's up, everyone? Let's do this.
I'm not sure where Grizzly is.
I'm here. Can't you hear me?
Oh. Someone was asking where you were. I said, I don't know.
Need to flush down to my demand area.
Where's your demand?
That 24,802 is the top of the zone. Bottom of the zone is 24,780.
That don't looks like a short-term top is in a low key. And this market has been resilient to a lot, but we'll see how today's candle closes. Today's daily will have a large impact.
We're gonna get a 100.5 minute candle. Let's see.
Oh my gosh, 100-point orb.
Let's see if we get it.
Literally, we're at about 70 right now.
How we doing, YouTube? Welcome in.
Locked out till 8. So you're locked out the first 15 minutes? I thought we were locking out for the first 30, Gene. Bro wants to catch that J-Don 15 minutes in trade.
Is Gene breaking his rules over there?
Yeah, Gene, you breaking your rules?
All that time building discipline, you're just going to let it start slipping. One bad decision at a time. Good morning. YouTube, we got a nice setup right here. I'm watching this closely. I really like this bounce area. If we flush it, oh well, no trade. But if we push down and get confirmation. What we got this morning? We got home sales, new home sales. Yeah, new home sales at 10. I mean, we could possibly look for a short at VWAP, but I would much rather get downs here. If we look for a short at VWAP, you know, we do have, how far from it was we? We was about 10 points from it there when we rejected, so I'm not really interested now.
This actually looks like a decent reject spot up here, but it's too early in the day for me. We're gonna have a low day.
I thought if we pushed up and tested VWAP there, I would try some shorts, but we just didn't get up there.
The midpoint of that candle. Trust me, I know, bro. Ouch. Hurt.
I'm not for sure CDP, to be honest. Just watching this bounce area is all I have.
Hurt.
And the 15-30 minute ranges, but right now the main setup is watching this bounce area.
Feeling it?
Trying to get a sell, but candle's not close. Could go either way.
Where's Greg? He's like Yoda. I don't know where Greg is this morning. He hasn't said anything. He's probably working. He's probably working. Out barreling oil.
Out working the oil field.
Yeah, he works in oil. What do you say, Gene? No, tell him to bring us some oil. I need that oil money, baby. Like the Saudis, yup. They got the oil money big time. I want the oil money, and Grizzly wants to be oiled up. What?
What's happening?
Oh, sorry, wrong group chat.
Yeah.
Wrong voice chat, sorry. That's after hours. That's after hours, guys. My apologies.
I think I'm growing the beard back out for winter.
Yeah, grow it, baby. Lumberjack Grizz.
I think I'm gonna let it go. The bottom of my NQ zone is at 24,780.
Gotta mark out our levels. I put this marked out. Oh, whoops, that's not the right level. Why do I have the 1 minute chart?
What's up, YouTube? Let me know you can hear me in chat real quick. Screen froze for a second. Just want to make sure it's still working.
Hold on with that pre-market low. See if we keep pushing down.
Awesome, thank you.
Feeling good from that workout yesterday, Gene. That was nice. We've been hitting it hard. We've been hitting it real hard. new data this morning?
Good morning. We just have the new home sales at 10. Come on, don't bounce.
New home sales.
Let's just push down some.
Sometimes that'll move us randomly, like just for no reason. We got a real nice move off it. That and like ISM services, random. Random nukers. We're 2 minutes away from having our 15-minute range in as well. What you think? Grandma, what do you think? Longs or shorts today? Shorts? All right, well, Grandma's bias is shorts. Take that as you will.
I just full ported when she said that. So. It's all or nothing now.
You don't have to have any idea what I'm talking about. Just know we're riding the shorts.
That was a joke, everyone. I did not full port. Don't full port. What was that?
Let's just go rip. Let's just go rip blow a day off Grandma's signal. We just die. We need the shorts to pay. Come on, Gmo. Oh, why is this NQ again?
Well,
what up? Well, what, my boy?
NQ just hanging out here. Do something.
Just chilling. It's on vacation.
That's right, Corey.
All right, the range is in. Right between pre-market low and 50-minute low. That's interesting. We need a 10K day today, so we can get Graham in the land.
10K. She already gave you short entries up.
short entries up, nice. Grandma, your entry's printing. No trades for me yet, guys. Just staying patient. No trades for me yet. Just staying super, super patient.
What's up, YouTube?
Maybe continuation.
Maybe Grandma knows something, Keith.
Cold today, Gene, huh?
We call them memos in the South, not grandmas, memos.
Oh, it's cold. Mr. Gene Cruz. Mr. Gene PSL Cruz. Grandma said Black Monday incoming. Grandma said we're about to rip down. 5C6. I'm not a huge fan of Corvettes, to be completely honest with you. It's not my vibe.
I like the older, like the 2000.
Old school ones.
Yeah, the older ones. The new ones are just too. I don't know. It's not my style.
Yeah. Yeah.
Think she's gonna get low today.
Yeah, grandma's low day, baby. You grandma low a day.
I live in Tennessee. Juan, where you live?
You were right. She doesn't know what she's right about. She was right. Grandma's out here printing bags. Grandma's out here making Team Bull a bag. Out here making Team Bull a bag. Yeah, we're gonna give Grandma her own Discord channel, her own voice chat. She's down. Well, she didn't say she was down, but I'll convince her. Still moving down. I see you.
Look in chat, Jada.
Oh my.
This is hilarious.
Hey, Grandma, Grizzly took your call out.
I took that trade she called out, made $555. Is that not funny?
Still moving down.
That's hilarious.
Your grandma's calling better trades than I am. Shit.
Only had 1-to-1 on that trade though, so not my best risk reward.
Literally free fall. Free fall. This actually looks decent for a test back up into this zone. Let's see the high. This is 858. Yeah, if we get a move back up into this
I'm in
area,
the country, but I'm outside of Knoxville.
looking for a trend entries with stops above. Well, there's two options here. I like to look for a test back up into the zone for shorts. If we fail this, there's also the possibility where we reject in this 858 to 874 area with stops above 900. So that's also a possibility for us as well. Just give us a little more pop up, and I'll try the shorts.
We're touching my demand now, everyone. So, Jadon, you can fade me if I take a long. I'm not looking for something crazy here.
You can fade me if I take a short.
If we break below 24,780, my bounce is invalid, everyone. We need to confirm before then. If not, we'll just look for.
Shorts are absolutely nuking.
Yep, should have just held the short, shouldn't I? What a 30-minute range we're gonna have.
Damn, Grizzly literally went and touched 84, like to a T almost.
780 is my where it invalidates. It's still valid if we confirm here for longs. Just hope it doesn't rip up here. time is it? We got how many minutes? We got 2 minutes 30 seconds for this candle to close. It could flip still.
Hey, that candle's setting up decent for a reversal candle, Grizzly.
Yeah, I know.
Follow through.
If we close above at 24,803 or around 803, I'll consider longs.
And it's getting to the point where, in the worst case, if you get that close, you have like a 20-point risk on it. So
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Keep it at the stop at the bottom of this candle if we try it. Chill out, candle. You don't need to push up anymore.
If we could just close this 5-minute candle right here, that'd be great, huh?
Yeah, this needs to stop. It's going to be right at the bottom of your 15-minute range if it continues.
Yeah, I'll still likely give it a go if we test up into that range.
Shorts?
Yep.
All right. Feel free to...
Don't hesitate on what you're trading, though. Trade your trade. Trade your trade, baby. Trade your trade. Does that make sense?
It does. What would be a risk here? 8. So if I take longs, 785 will be my stop. 784, 785 if I try it.
What do you think, Gene? What? Oh shit, Gene likes the longs too. For a scalp. I'm the crazy one. I still like the shorts on pop up. I'm crazy.
It closed right at that level. Right at it. Where'd it close up? I'm gonna try a light size here of one longs.
What was your fill? Like 807 or something? 806?
No, I got a horrible fill. I tried to get in at 806 and it pumped up and hit 810 for my fill. Not for sure what happened there. 806 is where I was trying to get in. I'm trading InQ. I'm on my personal account. If you're trading funded, I would probably go with this MNQ. Next trade I take will be on my funded.
We get this pop into this 15-minute low. I am gonna follow my plan and try the shorts.
Let's give us a push back up to that 833 area. That would be ideal for a trim.
We also got news in 2 minutes too.
Yeah, we better put our hard stops in for news.
Yeah.
If you don't have them already, get them in.
New home sales.
Or you can just stop out here for a small profit. We can look
Home
for a
sales,
re-entry.
Home sales not likely to be bullish. Yeah, but data's weird. Sometimes we get bad data and it will do well, or good data and it'll do horrible for the market. Just depends.
All right, everyone. It's your last chance to stop out in profits before data hits if you like. I'm still in. 830 area is my first trim spot. You can wait on 833 if you want to be a little greedy, but around the 830.
Leave the data, otherwise I'd for sure try shorts right here.
Data gonna sell us off or pump us? Push us up. Don't you do it. See, we was up about 15 points, so come
I started a light size of shorts, guys.
on.
30 points of risk here.
Jay Dunn's going in shorts. He does have
All
good
my
setup
plan,
if you want to stop out, YouTube. It's
absolute
on you.
Worst case scenario is above 856. Sorry to fade you, Grizzly.
No worries, man. It's a good setup you have.
I'm just following the system.
Where's your stop at on this?
Worst case scenario is 857. So little higher risk for this ad. I'd like to see it moving to like 30-ish area.
Yeah, that's where I wanted to trim at, that 30 area.
If you want a little less risk, just keep your stops above like 840. Or if we get a 5-minute close above the 15-minute low, I'll just stop it early for a small loss.
I'm moving my stop up to 810, everyone. My entry. I'm not gonna let this go red.
If you want a little less risky entry, you can wait till like 830s and just keep your stops above that. No, actually over like 851 probably. Play 851. Love to see a low day out of this.
Still in. My stop's at entry, 810. If he hits 810, I'll be out of this trade at my entry.
I have my hard stop set at, I'm going to move the pre-market low to 846.
I'm out at entry. I got out at entry, everyone. Flat trade. We almost got her trim
Go.
though.
So far, so good. See if we can get more. We went up almost 20 points there. Let's see if we can get 800. I'm going to move my stops down to 840. At 840 now, so my biggest risk here is about 20 points. I'd like to see it flush below 800. I don't love trading these whole site numbers, so just take that as you will. But went up 10, 15 points depending on entry, almost 20 if you got a little bit better entry up there. I did not trim on that move down. My stops are at 840.
It better not stop me out than rip. It did.
Oh, it didn't stop me there. I'm still in. I looked over a second. I was like, is that going to stop me?
Bro, it stopped me out by 5 points.
I'm still in at, my stop's at 840.
What's some trash?
Still in. That is about as close as it gets. I did not trim on that first 15-point move down. I did not trim. I didn't get my full size, so there was no scalping opportunity for me. I did not trim on that. So if I get stopped out at 840, I will be 0 for 1 on the day. It didn't make sense from a risk-reward perspective. If I would have had a lot of size on and scalping, then maybe, but not for me.
If I could go back, I'd have put my stop below that 24,802.
Oh, it got my stop, guys. I got my stop at 840. It's honestly looking like a decent reversal candle here too. I got my stop at 840, everybody. If we get a confirming candle, then maybe we look for a re-entry, but I'm not gonna stick with it. So we'll be 0 for 1. I didn't end up trimming on that 15-point move down. I wanted to see below 800, and I just got stopped out at 840. 0 for 1.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry, fellas. I thought that was gonna get more continuation. I really had high hopes. High hopes for it. I'm sorry I didn't make it go for 20, 30 plus points. NQ failed us. It's also why I don't love shorting those whole site numbers. Wow, I swear if it just completely reverses now, that's gonna be foul, bro. If it goes and sleeps me at 840, that's gonna be so foul, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, dog.
Kind of like it wanted to continue up there, but it hit that pre-market low, rejecting hard at previous or that current day. That
5-minute looks like a nice reversal candle. You have the higher volume, close below the 15-minute low. I'm still open to re-entry. It just has to make sense with the system.
I mean, why couldn't it just give us that 30 area before? That's all we wanted.
If they really went up and wicked my stop by a point, I'm gonna be salty. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. tempted to test the shorts one more time in the 20s. Stop just have to be above like 8 with like pre-market low. I'll let you guys know if I do. I took one shorts entry, but I got stopped out on it. It was up, I just didn't take any profits. Wasn't enough. I'm gonna test one more small size of shorts around 820, guys.
Jaden says he's back in the shorts, everyone.
Higher risk area here, out to 820 again up here. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a small try. What stops above 841?
841 says stop, YouTube.
I like our odds if we can break this structure to test 800. Come on, give us sub 800. Give us sub 800. Come on. Come on, give us sub 800. I did try one more piece of shorts, guys.
I'm just being patient here, everyone.
841, it's no longer valid. Trying to follow the trend, baby. Give me trend, give me trend. Give my position some trend and give me trend. It's up about 10 points right now. No profit taking for me. I want to see 800. Feel free to manage the easy fit though. Don't yell at me if we go back to red again. Just giving us no continuation. Come on. Come on. No love from Nasdaqista. $800 does have that dad strength. For real. I don't like these wicks for getting that 800. Up about 10 points right now. I'm keeping my same plan in motion. no follow through.
I knew this demand wouldn't be easy to break. But we didn't lose money on that first trade, but we stopped out at entry. And didn't hit our price target. This happens like that sometimes, you know.
This is my favorite ad area up here is 23 to 25. We fail this, if we end up going to 840, then the setup's no longer valid. We're not getting any follow through it down at 800, so it makes me a little hesitant about the setup, but we're gonna get a lower high. This is the area. If we end up breaking above 840, then I'm out of my position, and I'll likely be done. I'll get back yesterday's gains, which is fine. But I'd like to see more downside. I mean, everything looks super solid for it. Low volume. When the previous pushes up, failure to go above the 15-minute high. No follow through. No follow through. 2 chances to trim at like 15 points. Just wanted to see a bit more.
Did you all like how we stopped at break even at entry? Did you like how I managed that? Or should we do that from now on? Once we push up so far, instead of letting the trade turn red.
Following Larry. That 800 is a ad strength, man. I don't like how this setup's looking. We'll see how this 5-minute candle close right there. I love that. I don't love that. I'm gonna stop this just about break even, guys.
He's out of the long entry, or the short entry rather.
15-minute low, we'll look for re-entry, but I don't like the setup. I don't like what I'm seeing in the setup at all. So I stopped it slightly red. Don't like what I'm seeing at all there. Don't like what I'm seeing at all. If we end up getting a failure below these levels and some real weakness, we can look for a break of that 800, but right now it doesn't look great. So we're 0 for 1.5 on the day, I'll call it. I don't like the setup, so I cut it slightly red down there. If we end up getting some sort of move below 807 and some failure down here, then we can look for more shorts, but personally I don't love it, so. Damn, that actually looks like we might break structure to the upside too. Man, 2 times, both those trades could have, trimmed for 10, 15 points, but I didn't want to scalp today. I wanted the bigger move. Trying to scalp is fine, but getting the smaller ones, I wanted the bigger move.
Didn't want to fade you there, but I like the longs as well.
Yeah, take them. You can always fade. I cut just about break even. Slightly red on that trade.
Just the volume's just not telling us much though.
Made this higher low in here and we failed to break low and pull below that 15-minute low there, so.
I just hate fading YouTube, especially when Jaden takes a trade. He's a great trader. Sometimes I will take the opposite, but if he's already in it, and some of you are in it with him, I'm not going to call out my other position because they both could work out sometimes, you know.
Yeah, damn, grandma's 1-0 and I'm 0 for 1.5. 0 for 1.25. If you get that break above 840, you like the longs, you should get a nice move up.
See how we keep rejecting the 840? That is where today's point of control is right now, setting at 24,840. And previous day is at 24,802. We're just going back and forth between the volume-based support and resistance.
All right, let's see. Looks like we want to break up on that 840. At 800, it says too much judge strength. The reverse order might work. It failed the first time. All right, Jay Quinn. Thanks for coming to hang today, bro. You're the man. Don't. Oh, whoops. We got ES right at, interesting, the pre-market low and 15-minute low.
I haven't even looked.
The ES is still valid.
I don't even believe I've looked at ES since market open. Let me see. Well, let's see. YouTube, it could go either way here. We are in demand. This is my, top strategy, supply and demand. I usually put it first. But the orb is lining up nicely on the 15-minute range on ES. So we could see a nice push down on ES.
Let's see here.
Thanks, Keith, for letting me know. Starting to climb again.
It's thinking about it with this 15-minute low, just back and forth. If we get some sort of confirmation to the downside, I'd love to try some more shorts, but not until we get clear confirmation of us selling.
40. 20 points worth of risk. No, not crazy about the volume still. What are we thinking, YouTube? Give me your opinions. What are we thinking? What are we looking for here? Let's hear it. Could be a possible bear flag. Correct.
This looks like it wants to go down on the 1 minute chart. 5 minutes still a little indecisive.
We have a bear flag here.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Looks like it wants to go down.
It took it forever yesterday to finally make the move.
I know.
It chopped forever.
Outs on the way.
I no longer have a clear read. I don't know which way we're going to go.
I still vote down.
This candle's still low volume.
I still vote down. We'll see how we close this 5 minute candle though. I don't vote down enough to try again right here. Alright, time to put that forward. Maybe that'll give us something. As your reminder, guys, to choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused.
That's a good question, Honda. Let's see if I can. Well, I don't know what I just did there, Honda. I may have messed everything up. Alright. I don't see how. I don't see how to do that. Oh. I tried some shorts here, everyone, on NQ. I'll add some if we push into towards 27.
Give it
NQ
one more
shorts.
try with you. Last try. Last try in shorts for me. We ride or we fall together. Stops above 840.
I will add two more at 24,825 area. My stop will be above 840, around 842.
I like this area a lot. Don't love, but I like it a lot. So we're just waiting to get a break. If we break above 840, then setup is not valid and I'm wrong. Hard stop is at 841. No.
Keith, we bounced the demand zone that you're referring to. Just isn't, it's just low volume now, so chances are we're going to sell off here. If we've got the right area for a short entry, if it breaks above that point of control, then it's invalid. It's just what I see. If you all are if you don't like the setup, everyone, just don't take it. I understand. I'm still up 500 and something on the morning, so that's my buffer basically. I will be red though if I stop out, if I add to my position, which I'm okay with. I'm up 3,300 on the week, or somewhere in there.
Give a nice push down. Come on. Act like you won. Act like you've been here before, NQ. Give it a keys. Act like you've been here before. Come on. At least below 810.
Wrong way, NQ.
It's been the story of my day today, bro. Just getting 10 to 15 point moves and just nothing.
I would very much like my average to be closer to 830 though. 825 area, 830. All right, I did take an ad there. I added to my shorts. My average is 821. That's what I wanted. I'm not adding any more.
Like it. I mean, it looks like, if you're on the screen share, it looks like we want to go, and if we can break this down, we're going to get a nasty move down. We just do it.
Uh-oh. Could get it here, everyone.
There we go. Please go down, please.
Push down.
Please keep pushing.
Rip straight down. You don't need to bounce at previous day point of control. Just go down.
Please keep pushing. Wall Street, sell it all.
All right, so half my position there stops at entry. Stops at entry. Low day. Give us low day.
Let's go, baby. I'm trimming two. I'm trimming two at 800. Come on. Let's go. Nice ad, Busy Glock. That's what I'm talking about.
That was the perfect ad.
That's what I'm talking about.
Stops have to be an entry here, everyone. Do not let this trade turn red. I'm actually moving my stops to 810, everyone, in profits. Stops are in profits now.
Great job leading the way on that, Grizzly Glock.
Appreciate it, man.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. My stops are at break even. Actually, we're going to put our stops a little bit in profit. We're going to secure the green day. Oh my gosh, that was money bags. That ad was incredible, Grizzly Glock.
It's going to be a solid week for me. 810's my stop, everyone, in profits. It hits that, I'll be out of this trade. Nice, Nigel. Love to see it, man. Final price target for me is 24,784. Anything after that is just icing on the cake if you have any runners. This is a full size trade for me. It's not often I go full size.
That ad was nasty, Grizzly Glock.
There we go, I'm out. Trade's over. Solid trade, everyone.
Ugh.
That put me at $2,300 on the day. See what my weekly P&L is now.
Made 1,200. Nice. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I'm out of this trade too, guys. I'm out of this trade too. I'm stopping this trade, guys. What? That 800 is just an absolute dad string.
Dude, it's just bouncing that demand again. That same demand. It's just tough to get through. I knew it'd be hard to break.
Let's go. All right. With all the negativity in the world, Team Bull, let's get some positivity flowing. If you guys made some money, if you guys recovered your loss,
YouTube, I made $5,735 so far in the week on my personal.
Oh, baby. $1,200, $200, $43. That's all right. Wins a win. 300. 760. Let's go. Come on now. Good energy only.
I was saying,
losses and big wins.
Put me at 5,700 on the week with on my personal. Solid.
Oh. Money bag Grizz.
I need it, man. The taxes I have to pay.
Yeah, right. That quarterly payment's coming up in a few days, bro.
This is crazy. There got to be a better way, man.
Let's go, Team Bull. That's great.
I was trading NQ, but Alan, if you're trading your funded accounts, definitely trade MNQ.
It is cold in here, huh, bro? 18, you want to come say hi to everybody? I gotta use the restroom. I gotta piss like a racehorse.
It's just everything I do is just already planned out. It's just price targets. And I've been a little more of a scalper this year than I've always been somewhat of a scalper, but this year has been the ideal market for scalping. Just a little less profits than we're used to, or a little less, catching the less points this year for some reason. Who don't I like? Who am I missing? Gene, are you on voice?
Yeah, I'm on voice, sorry.
Oh, kicked my speaker off.
Oh. Is it getting cold out there yet?
Yeah, starting to. Leaves are starting to fall off. Or
Oh, wow.
the certain trees are losing the leaves. The other ones are starting to change. Like the hardwoods, starting to get the color.
Some in the mountains are trees that we change first. Out here, yeah, I'm saying. Like my horse sound?
Had about 20-something points win here, Brian.
Stallion today. Giraffe. All right, well you're an armadillo. Bro said I'm a giraffe. I told y'all. Look what happened when we put the hat forward. Y'all witnessed magic in real time. I told you guys I'm putting the hat forward, and then what happened? We ended up catching it back. I'm just saying.
YouTube, if you all, appreciate what I do here, all that stuff. The only thing I don't ever ask you for money. You don't have to send money. I don't need all that stuff. Just hit the thumbs up at the top if you don't mind. Takes like a second. Well, she made me $500 and we caught that nice trade together, so I have to take Grandma to get some steak next time I'm in Denver, Jada. He left. I think we need to get Jada like a urinal and a coffee maker in your office.
Yeah. Someone order me some adult diapers.
I'm telling you, put you like a urinal in your room there.
Smart, it looks like it went slower.
It does, man.
But I just build a toilet seat chair.
Yeah. Instead of a catheter, you just need a catheter. Oh. What are you hitting at the gym today, legs? Every time I talk, he leaves.
Oh, it's leg day, Grizzly. It's Wednesday. Come on now.
Oh, I hit legs yesterday. I'm going to do push day today after that trade. I'm doing what I want.
Come on now. Bought the winner. That's what we wanted, bro. We wanted a nice winner, and we got it.
Excuse me. It's awesome. It's the best message I've read all day. Appreciate that, Paula, as always. I guess that's it for today, YouTube. We made our bag, right? Had some good money. I think let's do the giveaway for Apex tomorrow. Looks like my side-by-side is done in the shop as well, so that's a win.
That was a money bags trade. That was perfect. That was great. I knew it was coming, man. knew it was coming. It's like yesterday, Grizzly. I literally had a morning just like you had yesterday, bro. You notice that?
Yeah, it's very similar. The price action is very similar.
And then I stopped at basically break even, a little rather than the second one, a few points over, and then caught a banger. It took me 3 tries to get that dang move.
With a good risk management, man, you can take 2 losing trades and 1 winning trade and still be green.
Yep. It's true. You just can't let your losers run rabid.
Yeah, and you just can't continuously average them down. I just took the short that we got in Honda. This is typically where it's invalid. Shorts are still in play. I mean, not in play. Technically. Got a lot of questions here coming from both sides. I just stop out where the trade invalidates it. You know, I don't take the trade if there's too much risk on the stop as opposed to the first price target. Real quick, I was gonna say, if for those that want to get into Grizzology, if you want my indicator, I got a new indicator coming to Grizzology. It's gonna be another one that's included. So I recommend you go try the 7-day free trial, become familiar with Grizzology, decide if you want to keep it, and stick around for that next. It's an indicator I'm gonna drop, but it's for the orb only, and it'll come with entry, price targets, and stop loss, and they're all adjustable. You can adjust them, everything but the confirmation. That's based off my strategy I've been working on. You can go to grizzlytrades.com. It's the one with the Grizzology. All right, peace, YouTube. Appreciate you all.